This is the latest Oppo flagship Find X7 Ultra. Recently, it got a huge update, firmware update, which literally smoothed everything now, and connectivity, smoothness, everything, even the camera. And the update in the camera is great. 4K 60 and switching lenses during the recording, that is a huge update. Also, I think photos looks a bit better, but also extra focal length in the photo department. I mean, points in the focal. Let me show it to you.
And this is how it looks like in 4K 60 frames per second. We have a beautiful day. It is a bit windy, but still a beautiful sunny day. If you want to vlog from the smartphone, this is how it's going to look like. Vlogging started me stop for a bit. It is windy. I don't know why I didn't bring the external microphones, but we're going to cancel the wind in the post production. We are still in the wide angle lens. Let me run a little bit. Running. Hello, doggy. Calm down, calm down, calm down. It's a beautiful day. Let's do it again. Vlogging style with wide angle. Let me stop. Look at how crisp it does that image. Wow. Now that is crisp. Anyway. Main lens. Let's run. Video stabilization. Whew. Nice. Check out this guy. Check out this guy on the main street with that tiny electric. Anyway. Okay. Telephoto. 1x, 2x, 3x, 6. You can go all the way to 18. Can you read the license plate? Yes, we can. Okay, let me just hold the camera steady. And bus is coming. Pretty good. We can read a license plate, can we? People came out from the bus. Okay, not too many people. But it looks awesome. Look at that. Look how crisp it is and how stable it is. That is brilliant. Alright. Let's move to the other side. Do we still have autofocus in the wide angle lens? Of course we do. And with that, you can make a macro video from wide angle, which is astonishing. Main lens, a bokeh effect is great. Look, check out that bokeh. Wow. That's the latest again. LYT 900. That's the latest chip, biggest and the best 2024 chip from Sony. Well, lens. And it looks awesome. 2x, of course, also. And another lens, telephoto lens, and also with autofocus. Wow, they all have autofocus. The question is, I'm going to have, wow, look at that from the main lens. Look at that depth. Not even Galaxy S24 Ultra has that depth. That bokeh effect. Damn, it is good. But, front-facing camera. Full length of my arm, 4K 60. Okay, the autofocus is a bit faster. Way faster. But still not on the Galaxy level. Not at all. And you cannot go too close because it will... Okay, it will focus, but it's still losing. Look, my face is out of focus. Okay, it still needs to be updated. Now it's fine. Okay, it's much better, but still not perfect, like in the Galaxy smartphones. We do have new focal length: 23, 28, 35. 72, 85, 135, and 300. So there's that. Wow, that bokeh was that monster from that cartoon. It's not that. It's bokeh. Wow, that is smooth.
So which one is better, Galaxy S24 Ultra or Oppo? Picture-wise, Oppo. Video-wise, definitely a faster autofocus in the Galaxy smartphone and 8K 30 frames per second, but in the picture department, Oppo is winning. Also in the price, now Galaxy S24 Ultra is very expensive, Oppo way cheaper. Link in the description and a discount code for you. Size is important because Galaxy S24, it's a big smartphone, two-handed smartphone. It's very hard to operate with one hand, at least for me. It's uncomfortable and Oppo, way easier. I can do this, I can do this, I can do with one finger, I can do like this quickly, I can move around with the camera. Now that is an easy smartphone, easy to use with one hand, and that is important. I'm not sure why. I don't know why I'm watching myself instead of camera. I have to concentrate on the camera itself. It's a beginner mistake. Anyway, link in the description for you. It's a great smartphone. Now it's even better. Tremendous update. A new life for the Oppo Find X7 Ultra. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye.